Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, I am going to make delicious yellow split peas soup. That's right. Without further ado, let's get cooking. And those are the ingredients that I will be using for today's recipe. Yellow split peas, corn, carrot, coyote, flour, malanga, yellow yam, green plantain, butter, and meat. Salt for taste. Alright, let's start cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is wash the split peas first. And one of the great reasons that I love to use it because it's easy to manage. It doesn't take long to cook, guys. Then I'm going to add it in the pot to cook about 30 minutes or less. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and finish prepping the rest of the vegetables. I'm using a vegetable peeler to peel the carrot, then slice it and add it in the water to prevent from turning brown. I will continue the same process for the rest of the vegetables. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm making a big pot of soup. There's no need for me to cut them any smaller, but you can go ahead and cut it to any size you prefer it to be. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Now I am going to make the dumpling. All you will need is three ingredients: your flour, of course, water, and a pinch of salt. Your hand is clean, go ahead and combine everything together, or you can just use a spoon. It's optional. And to make your dumpling, you can desire any shape you want it to be. You can make it a ball, or you can use it as like a stick, or just like I'm doing in Let's put it aside. Let's go back and check on the peas. Looking good. As you can see, guys, the split peas is done to my liking, nice and soft. Now I am adding the hard vegetable first, then I'm going to add the soft set after. Let it boil for 20 to 25 minutes. And last thing I'm going to do is add the meat. The meat was already cooked, so there is no need to add it earlier. And give it a stir. Seasoning if it's needed, guys. Mm-mm-mm. Looking beautiful. Enjoy your beautiful split peas soup. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. You mean the world to me. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.